Hi there and welcome back to another video. This video is dedicated to those viewers who think this topic needs a remastered version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Top of the list is Wingloon 2. The Chengdu GJ2, also known as Wingloon 2, is an UAV intended for use as a surveillance and aerial reconnaissance and precision strike platform. It has a slender fuselage, B-tail, and ventral fin. The aircraft features retractable landing gear, including two main wheels under the fuselage and one single wheel under the nose. Powered by a turbocharged engine at maximum speed of 200 knots at 900 meters for 32 hours. Coming up is Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations. It is manufactured by the Turkish company Baykar Makina Sanayi Ticareta S, primarily for the Turkish armed forces. The aircraft are monitored and controlled by an aircrew in a ground control station, including weapons employment. The development of the UAV has been largely credited to Selçuk Bayraktar, a former MIT graduate student. The Bayraktar TB2 platform has a blended wing body design with an inverted V-tail structure. Thrust is generated by a variable pitch two-blade propeller and pusher configuration. Rodex 912 IS internal combustion engine with injection. Having a 12 meters wingspan, its maximum speed can reach up to 120 knots at an operational altitude of 486 meters for about 27 hours. It can carry man bombs, LUMTAS anti-tank missile system, Roksun Sirit and many more armament. It also has a Aselsan CATSIO, IR, LD imaging and targeting sensor. Up next is Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik B. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik B, also referred to as Hunter B, is a Russian stealth-heavy unmanned combat aerial vehicle being developed as a sixth-generation aircraft project. The drone is based on the earlier Mikoyan Scat, designed by MiG. The Okhotnik's design is based on the flying wing scheme and incorporates use of composite materials and stealth coatings, making the drone low observable in flight. It has a weight of about 20 tons and a wingspan around 20 meters, flown by a Saturn AL-41 FM-1 derivative without afterburner, and without thrust vectoring, producing an impressive speed of 540 km with a range of 3,200 nautical miles. It has two internal weapons bays for up to 2 kilograms of guided and unguided munitions. Coming up is Kaman 22, which is an Iranian wide-body unmanned combat aerial vehicle unveiled on the 24th of February, 2021 by the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. It is said to be the country's first wide-body drone. The range of the Kaman 22 is approximately 3,000 kilometers and it can carry 300 kilograms of explosives. According to IRIAF Commander Aziz Nasserzadeh, the Kaman 22 is the first domestically manufactured wide-body combat drone in the country capable of carrying all kinds of munition. Last on this list is DRDO Rustam. The DRDO Rustam, meaning warrior, has a wingspan of 7.9 meters and weighs about 720 kilograms. It will be launched by the conventional method and not the launcher as in the case of the DRDO Lakshya. Rustam will be able to see the enemy territory up to a distance of 250 kilometers and carry a variety of cameras and radar for surveillance. For Rustam H, there are two NPO Saturn 36MT engines wing-mounted turboprop producing 100 horsepower each. Its flight endurance is 12 to 15 hours. That's all for today. See you in another video.